Finally, Igbo man don't wake up inside this country. As I see this news, I shock. The video where you see for inside this news now is called a Lions Business Park. Igbo people don't wake up. This Lion Business Park is situated in Enugu in the southeastern part of Nigeria. Omo, when I listen to the entire news, come check the landmass on my shock. This Lion Business Park you are seeing is situated on a landmass of 2,000 hectares of land. Omo, when I see them, I shock. They say this Lions Park will be housing agricultural sector, residential homes, industrial park, hotels, amusement park, and so many others. They say any Igbo man, whenever go invest for this Lions Park, say now you they do yourself. Oh, if they break your house, if they destroy your building, demolish your house for any part of Nigeria. Now you sabi oh, as I watch this Lions Park, I say true, Igbo people wanna get sense. This Lions Park is another industrial gold mine for the southeastern part of Nigeria. Is another industrial gold mine for every Igbo man. Is another commercial hub for every Igbo man. Is another commercial hub for every Igbo man. They say any type of business you can think of, any type of business at all, whether spare parts, whether na okrika, whether na rembuto, whether na shoe, any type of business, whether na cloth, any type of business entirely you can think of. They say make you the enter Lion Business Park for inside Enugu. I say what this video I tell God beg you. They share and make every Igbo man they see am.
My name is Osita Chidoka, and I bring you good news from Enugu State, Nigeria. The Lion Business Park is a well-planned greenfield project located in Enugu State, Nigeria, with well-zoning regulations on commercial plots, industrial plots, educational institution, technology hub, and markets. It's a city that is secured, provides you with ample opportunities for 24-hour power, water, and all the infrastructure built to world-class standards. The Lion Business Park is an industrial operational hub that takes advantage of the commercial base located around the southeast and the Nigerian market. Onitsha market is less than 1 hour away from the Lion Business Park. The Aba market is less than 2 hours away from the Lion Business Park. It sits on the old narrow gauge running from Port Harcourt to Maiduguri. It also has access to the 3 seaports in the region, the Calabar Seaport, the One Seaport, and the Port Harcourt Seaport. It sits 30 minutes away from Enugu International Airport, Anambra Cargo Airport, about an hour away from the Owerri Airport, and about 3 hours away from the Port Harcourt International Airport. It is also located on the Trans-African Highway that makes it possible for us to take advantage of the African Continental Free Trade Agreement. It is also an opportunity for you to export to the United States of America through the African Growth Opportunities Act. It is an opportunity to provide the industrial base for Nigeria's next growth phase. The Lion Business Park is a free trade zone. The free trade zone status offers you exemptions from...
Well, there is no child's play about this Lions Business Park. Our people say that charity begins at home. This is a very beautiful opportunity for every Igbo man to go and invest in their own region, in their own state. Yes, if you are an Igbo man and you are doing very well, wherever you find yourself in Nigeria or outside Nigeria, this is a very beautiful opportunity. When I saw this very news, I said, no, every Igbo man must be aware of this latest development because it's already happening. Yes, whether you like it or not, whatever type of investment you want to make, you can think of. All of those technological investment that you have in abroad, that you are enjoying in abroad, all of them can be done in this Lions Park. And before you know it, this Lions Park will be a game changer in the whole of Nigeria. You go see people, they begin to travel from Lagos, from Abuja, from everywhere. They travel, they go Enugu to go enjoy this Lions Park. I could remember and categorically tell you that there is something like this currently going on in a particular city in Poland. Yeah, the last time I went to Poland, I came across an edifice like this. It's an industrial park, a business park, any type of business you want, any type of business you can imagine, be it supermarket and every other aspect of business that will boost and encourage the economy, you will find it there. And that is exactly what is being replicated in the southeastern part of Nigeria. I see what this video, I take God beg you. Drop your opinion, drop your comment, and share this video with another person. God bless you.